ACH returns aren't just operational noise, they're signals. Signals of bad data, weak authorization, fraud risk, or breakdowns between systems. Today, we're breaking down ACH returns and notices of change, how originators should triage them, and how to stop the same failures from happening again. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the difference between returns, NOCs, rejects, and reversals, apply a repeatable triage process, understand reinitiation rules, and build controls that reduce return volume over time. In ACH, not everything posts cleanly. Exceptions fall into four main categories: notices of change, returns, rejects, and reversals. Each one tells a different story and requires a different response. A return sends an ACH entry back after it was processed. Returns can happen for administrative reasons, like invalid account numbers, or for risk reasons, like unauthorized transactions. Returns are one of the primary ways banks measure originator risk. Administrative returns point to data or process errors, things you can fix quickly. Unauthorized returns are more serious. They indicate disputes, potential fraud, or authorization breakdowns. Banks pay very close attention to unauthorized return rates. A notice of change tells you something about the account information needs to be corrected, like an updated account number or routing number. NOCs are not optional. If you ignore them, you create repeat failures. An NOC is a warning shot. It's the network telling you, this will fail next time if you don't update your records. Strong originators treat NOCs as required maintenance, not suggestions. Rejects usually happen before posting, often due to formatting or file issues. Reversals are controlled corrections for specific error types, like duplicate or incorrect amounts. Reversals are not a redo button and must follow strict rules. Every exception should go through the same triage process: classify the issue, contain the risk, investigate the root cause, resolve the issue, and then prevent it from happening again. This keeps emotion and guesswork out of decision-making. First, identify what you're dealing with. Is it an NOC, a return, a reject, or a reversal candidate? Is it administrative or unauthorized? Correct classification determines your next steps. Containment means stopping the damage from spreading. That may mean pausing future debits, flagging an account, or escalating internally. Containment protects both the customer and your program. Investigation looks at authorization proof, validation steps, account data, and patterns. Was the authorization valid? Was the account validated? Is this a one-off or a trend? Resolution depends on the issue. Update records for NOCs. Decide whether reinitiation is allowed for returns. Communicate clearly with customers when needed. Resolution must follow rules, not assumptions. Prevention is where mature programs separate themselves. Fix the root cause. Update checklists. Adjust validation thresholds. Improve authorization language. Prevention reduces long-term cost and risk. Not all returns can be reinitiated. Administrative returns may allow limited retries. Unauthorized returns generally should not be reinitiated without new authorization. Reinitiating incorrectly increases risk and scrutiny. Banks monitor total return rates, unauthorized return rates, and repeat failure patterns. These metrics influence limits, reviews, and sometimes your ability to continue originating ACH debits. Scenario: you receive an NOC for an incorrect account number, but the debit still posted successfully. Do you ignore it, update the record, or wait for a return? Pause and think. You update the record immediately. NOCs are advance warnings. Ignoring them almost guarantees future failures and higher return rates. Your exception toolkit should include return code references, NOC update procedures, a reinitiation decision tree, monitoring dashboards, and escalation paths. This turns chaos into process. Returns and NOCs aren't random. They're feedback. Programs that listen, triage correctly, and fix root causes reduce risk, protect bank relationships, and scale safely. Next, we'll cover ACH fraud and risk monitoring, how banks spot patterns early and what originators can do to stay ahead. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or compliance advice.